everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how to change the vacuum bag on your EUFY E20 3-in-1 combo vacuum. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So first things first, at the top of your station right here, open it up, pull it up and out of the way to reveal your vacuum bag. You can remove the dirty one just like so, and then you'll take your new vacuum bag here and you'll line everything up. And then it just slots right down in place. So you can pull the old one up and out of the way, and then take your new vacuum bag, line it up, and it just presses right in. And there you go. You now have successfully installed the vacuum bag for your EUFY E20. Thanks for watching.